Hi there, technology user. Thank you for purchasing Delphy RGBW controller. Here is how you can install the device. First, let's make sure that you have everything you need to successfully complete the installation. Identify the switch of the light or strip light you want to automate. Connect your device, RGBW controller. Switch on the device to ensure that the setup is done correctly. Step 1. Get ready to install. Collect all the tools required for the installation. For this, you will need a screwdriver, tester, pliers, and branch wires, one each, for neutral and phase connection. Now let's get a step 2 and identify the switch of the light or the light strip you want to automate. To start off with, go to your MCB panel. Identify the circuit breaker connected to the identified switchboard or the switch and turn it off. If your breakers aren't labeled, turn off the main supply. Installation requires handling high voltage wiring. Follow the instructions carefully to avoid any injury. If it makes you uncomfortable, reach out to a qualified electrician to help you out. Alright. Now let's get to step 3. Connecting the device. The device is available in 3 parts. 1 is the AC to DC converter, where N and L refers to neutral and phase slot respectively. The V plus and V slot refers to neutral and phase connection, and the AC is being converted into DC and will be connected to the controller. Another part is the controller, where N, P in number slot 1, refers to neutral, phase, and the virtual wire on the device. The last, but most crucial part of the device, is the female connector that connects your controller to the RGBW strip light. Now open the power converter, and connect the phase wire from the wall to the slot marked as L, on the AC-DC converter. Then connect the neutral wire from the wall to the slot marked as N on the converter. Draw a neutral branch wire and connect it to the slot marked as N on the RGBW controller. Draw a phase branch wire and connect it to the slot marked as P on the RGBW controller. Take the female connector and connect one end to the RGBW strip light. At the other end, connect the virtual wire of the RGBW controller and make sure that the cables are connected in the same sequence the RGBW strip was connected. That is, black, green, red, blue, and white. Now all wires are connected to the RGBW controller. Connect the phase wire marked as P on the RGBW controller to the slot marked as V+ on the AC-DC converter. Now connect the neutral wire marked as N on the RGBW controller to the slot marked as V on the AC-DC converter. Great, you are almost done. Now that all the wires are connected, close the AC-DC lid and jump to step 4. Carefully place the device on the wall or the false ceiling and switch on the light. It might take 10 seconds for the light to start responding. If the strip light blinks, it means that the device is ready for configuration. And there you go. You are done with the installation of the RGBW controller. All you need to do now is download the Delphy app to configure the device and create the ambience you desire. One tap and you can change the mood and the ambience anytime, anywhere. For more details, please visit our website www.delphyautomation.com or reach us at 1-800-1020-668. Happy Smart Home!